How to delete Snapchat call history. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner you can find your Bitmoji. Click on it. With that you will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. You will land to the settings page. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under privacy controls you will find the option of clear data. Click on it. Now head towards the option of clear conversations. Now in this page, you will be able to find a list of your Snapchat friends. Head towards the Snapchat friend with whom you want to delete call history. At the right corner of each Snapchat user, you will find this cross icon. Click on it. Are you sure you want to clear this conversation? This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. Click on clear. You have just deleted call history with this specific person. By applying the same process, you are able to delete call history with other Snapchat users as well. So this is how you can easily delete Snapchat call history. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.